Alright, that's seriously getting on my nerves, so I'm going to make this short and sweet. Girls are really cool, hostel's really cool, Munich's really cool. Considering staying an extra day, because I really want to see the castle that they have here and do a city tour, but we'll see what I can fit in, because if I do that, then I'll have to miss Switzerland, unless I fit it in. My mom comes, so it's like rearranging my whole schedule, but I'm going to take a peek at that tonight, but seriously considering staying an extra day, because it's pretty awesome here. I thought it was going to be a free time, but there's a lot to do, and it's really cool. The place I'm staying at is really cool, the people I've met are really cool, lots of things to do, so pretty much it's awesome. And staying in the hostel tonight, getting up early to meet the guys for a city tour, possibly the castle tour. I'm not sure because the castle tour is all day, and that's only going to happen if I'm staying an extra day, so we'll see. But all in all, awesome day, really good day. Have some pretty good pictures and whatnot, and one of my favorite places so far.